For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
On July 2nd, the Defence Ministry approved a proposal to acquire 33 new fighter aircraft from Russia. This move from the Defence Ministry comes at a time when there is a growing tension in the border area. The procurement includes 12 Su-30 MKIs and 21 MiG-29s and the upgradation of 59 existing MiG-29s. The total cost of the project is estimated to be around 18,148 crores. There is no denying that this procurement would indeed give a boost to the Indian Air Force. Soon after the announcement was made, reactions began pouring in from both the opposition and the defense experts.
मेरा मानना है कि ये बेहद आवश्यक है कि जो हालात हैं उसमें हमें अपनी ओर से कैपेसिटी बिल्ड करने की कोशिश की जाए। ये सवाल ये भी है कि जब रफ़ाल की बात हो रही थी तो हमने सिर्फ 36 क्यों लिए। आज अफसोस हो रहा है जो यूपीए के टाइम में नेगोशिएशन हो रहा था 128 या 126 का, आज अगर वो भी हमारे पास होता तो हमारी कैपेसिटी बहुत होती। बहरहाल ये एक स्वागत योग्य पहल है।
Several defense experts have praised the move taken by the Defense Ministry.
There is an adage, we're having a major problem in the line of actual control, and there is an adage, when the going gets tough, the tough go shopping for weapons. The Indian Air Force is down to 32 squadrons. They've been asking for more aircraft, and during this standoff at the line of actual control with China, while talks are going on about disengagement, this order has been confirmed for 18,148 crores.
The defense experts also opined that there was a void in the number of squadrons the Indian Air Force had. Experts believe that with the new orders placed, the void in the squadrons will be filled.
This will add some squadrons to the Air Force. Presently, the Air Force is deficient of 11 squadrons. This will add nearly 2 more squadrons to the Air Force. आज साफ तौर पर नजर आ रहा है कि पाकिस्तान और चाइना जो है वो आपस में जुड़ रहे हैं और 2 फ्रंट वॉर जो है इसकी पॉसिबिलिटी है। इसको निगाह में रखते हुए मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस ने शीघ्र एक प्रपोजल को क्लियर किया जिसके तहत 33 हवाई जहाज जो है रशिया से खरीदे जाएंगे जल्दी से, जिसमें से 12 Su-30 है और 21 MiG-29। इसके अलावा ये भी फैसला किया गया कि 59 MiG-29 को जल्दी से अपग्रेड किया जाएगा ताकि कुछ स्क्वाड्रन्स एयरफोर्स में और शामिल किया जाए।
Defense expert Major General S.P. Sinha also commended the move taken by the Defense Ministry. Sinha termed it an excellent strategic decision taken by the government.
Russia is our reliable supplier, so all these factors have contributed to taking this decision. Firstly, threat from China. Secondly, operational preparedness has to be of top gear. Thirdly, if you want peace, you have to be prepared for war. Fourthly, fill the deficiency with maximum fighter jets.
Defense experts have welcomed the move and are praising the decision taken by the government. The expansion and upgradation has come at a time when both the countries are at loggerheads.